Rania, I want you to listen very closely. Gonzalo wants you to make his request. Charlotte turns Numberjack 4 into a baby/grounded exactly right, and it's supposed to be in Gotcha Life, not plot again. Also, it needs to match the transcript, and I promise that you or your boyfriend won't traumatize Choco. It might look the same as Lena turns Pinky from Sprunky into a baby/grounded, Spooky Spoon turns Eddie into a baby/grounded, and Old Eddie turns Numberjack 3 into a baby/grounded, but in one scene. Numberjack 3 will play peekaboo with baby Numberjack 4, then Charlotte comes into his nursery, gives him a Dada pink plush and apologizes to Numberjack 3 and baby Numberjack 4, and then they have some pie with Rex from Animal Mechanicals, okay?